as you know, I haven't been posting much videos a long time ago, but now I'm posting a lot of videos. So guys, as you know, I'm gonna show you today what people trade for a ninja monkey. So let's go teleport to the gifts and see what people trade for it. So guys, I'm at the gifts section. Oh my god, a neon unicorn. I'll offer my neon dragon and my ninja monkey. I already have a scroll, guys. So yeah. Wait, whose unicorn is that? I think it's hers. Yep, it is Slender. I'm gonna show her I already have one, girl. But okay, I'll accept. Okay. He's accepting, guys. But that will make me end the video. So I'll just add this. Will she accept? Will she accept, guys? Well, let's add a boost. And let's accept. I don't know why I'm accepting this, guys. I'm a dumb boy. Oh my god! I am so dumb, guys. At least I've got 2 scrolls. Okay, guys. I'm gonna show you what people trade for a ninja monkey, I said. Yeah, I said that. So I'm trading a ninja monkey. Let's see who can trade. Who can trade right now? Neon Ride Otter for a ninja. Guys, Black Lives do matter. I should call this unicorn Black Lives Matter. Yeah, because they do. No matter what, they do matter. Okay. Let's go the unicorn. I might accept for this ninja monkey and be stupid. Be stupid and accept. I'll accept for a rideable unicorn. Please, it's my dream. I have to have an uni. Sorry. Have it no more. Fly ride unicorn? It's even better. Really? Are you really gonna do this? Or I'll offer beaver. This is not fair. I feel bad. I feel bad if they accept. But it is a fair trade. She's just gonna take. Oh my goodness. People these days. Are you just gonna keep making it? I'm gonna give you a common pet for that. I don't know why I'm giving it for. Should I give it? Mine's a common, guys. Okay. Let's see if this girl will stop. I can trade her. She will trade for ninja monkey. Wait, I added the wrong thing. Neon Fly Ride B. Guys, this is pretty good. Now they're trying. Okay, an uncommon card. They declined. Anyways, I was gonna decline. I was not gonna accept. ABC to trust trade for my YTU. First, I don't scam. Okay, she is lying. He Ninja Monkey 4, girl. Are you just gonna gonna try this again. Girl, I already. No, I traded it. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's write scrolls. Roll. What the hell? Oh, I got 2 scroll ingredient. I've got no more briefcases. Let me just name it. Cool. This is so cool, guys. Oh my god, I got a neon unit. Corn. If you want this to be given away, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe your Roblox username, and we will be doing our Roblox giveaways only if we get to 1 million subscribers. Every 1 million subscribers, we will do a Roblox giveaway. Yeah, so let's see. Let's carry on. See what people trade for it. Let's trade. Okay, she accepts a rideable beaver. Is she calling me yes, come on? Is she gonna accept? Because I'm not gonna accept it. She's accepting. I'm gonna have to decline that trade. I'm sorry. Let's trade someone that's got something good or something. I don't know. Let's just trade this girl. Don't forget to wear these stuff that I'm wearing right now, guys. So you can join me on comment down below. Like, comment down below. Whoa! 4 trades. Wall grown. This is so rare, guys. This is so rare. Oh, jeez. Anyways, I don't like cats. My dad's allergic to cats. Oh, jeez. He is holding that scroll ingredient. So if he needs to, he'll be like, you see him, guys? And I got kicked out. This always happens to me. What the hell am I on right now? Okay, guys. That was it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe your Roblox username. And don't forget to wear what I was wearing in Roblox at the army so you can join the army. And I know that you're joining the army and you want a free pet. So yeah, guys, bye. And guys, don't forget to check out my profile. Just before I end the video, check out my profile. It's called 07 Mohammed. I've got 174 friends, 28 followers. Haven't got much followers. And I'm not following much people, like 54 I'm following. So yeah, guys, if you want to go on my profile, these are Robux. I've got this. This is only 5 Robux, guys. 5 Robux. Go purchase it right now. And the pants for these are 98. So yeah, I was gonna buy this shirt, but like never mind. I wanna buy my own one. Okay, guys. So yeah, bye. Yeah, and let me see my creations. Wow, 1 visit. Look at my visits. I haven't even